Hello guys, welcome back for the tea time. Okay, for the lunchtime, they didn't go well at all. It was just a mess. So let me quickly do this video. I just wanted to make it short because I want to combine it with for the mega. So for the lunchtime, actually, I if I remember, I said we have 18 and 19. Those were two numbers for today. And we had, since they were not coming, we had to choose one number that is going to represent all those numbers. And I said we're going to choose 18. And if you're going to choose 18, 18 is going to bring us 13, and it was going to bring us 39. I was supposed to also say 38 because of this 7 brings 38 and 39. So those are the numbers that 18 was bringing, but 13 came, and I was sure that it won't come. I was certain. I've even said it won't come. Instead, I just thought, okay, since we're saying 13 is not coming, let's say 14. Let's take 14, and here let's take 11. If I remember, I was so sure that the 13 it won't come, and it affected everything. Remember, once you choose a number to deal with it, it affects everything. So let's suppose I said 13 was going to come. You were going to expect, let me say, you were going to expect a 13, and you were going to expect with a 26 and either 42 or a 24. I will show you why. And also either 38 and 39. You were going to expect those numbers if I chose 13. Why do I say so? Because remember, I said you have to say 12. I even stated before I started the video. I said 12 and 21 is hot number, but it won't come. I said 26 is a hot number, but it will come. So once you have 12 or 21, you're going to say 12, 13. I even said it's going to give you 25, right? So how do you know 24 is going to come? I said 26 is a hot number, is going to come. That means 25 won't come, and that means 24 or 42 it will come. That means these numbers that I said 12 is not coming, it was indeed, and I was supposed to choose 13 because it was the origin of 18 was bringing 13, but I just thought it won't come. I repeated, I'm sure 10 times I said it won't come, but it came and it changed everything. And again, it's fine. Even 38 came. I saw that even 38 came. So those were the result. But if you can check there, I won't speak long for lunchtime, for tea time, because if you can check there, we have a missing number. A missing number is 47. We have a missing number of 47. I'm suggesting we just play 47 and other numbers. And conservative numbers, we always have the conservative numbers. So you're going to say 48 plus 49, it's going to give you 9 and 7. It's going to give you 9 and 7, and at some point you might be forced to choose one number there between 9 and 7. It was, if I was going to choose a number, I was going to think 9. Yes, I think 9 is probably the number that is going to come. I'm thinking, okay, 9 is going to come. I think it's another number that we have to choose on tea time rather than 7. Remember, 7 came yesterday. I don't think it might come. So 9 is another number that is going to come. And we are not done there. So since we are saying 47 is our banker, since we're saying 47 is a missing number and it's coming, 47 is likely to come with either 23 or 32. It's likely to come with the one number, the between 23 and 32. I'm sorry, 23 and 32, one number. But the problem is, if, let me see, okay, let's say 23 or 32 is going to come with 47. If it's going to come with 47, it's going to affect like a lot of numbers. It's going to affect a lot of numbers. That means this 13 also is going to repeat. And if it's going to repeat, as I don't know if it's going to come as 31 or what, but that means 13 is one of the numbers that is going to repeat. That means 13 is going to repeat. If 13 is going to repeat, 13 is also going to affect 3. It might affect 3, but before I go to 3, remember we have big numbers there, which is 40, 40, 47, 48, and 49. Those are the big numbers, and most of the time those big numbers call for smaller numbers. Smaller numbers can be 1, 2, and 3. It can be those numbers. But remember, we have a 13 there. I just talked about 13 going to repeat. If we have a 13, that means 13 is going to affect 3. That means it's going to affect 3. And if it's going to affect 3, 3 is a smaller number. Out of 1, 2, 3, I think a smaller number that we can expect there is a 3, according to me. If 3 is going to come, remember we said 40. Remember we said 47 is going to call 23 or 32, and if 23 or 32 comes, it's going to affect 13. That means 13 is going to repeat, and if 13 is going to repeat, that means we're either going to expect 4 or 40. That 13 is going to affect 4 or 40. It's going to affect 4 or 40. And I just talked about 3 being a small number. I just talked about choosing 3 as a smaller number. Remember, 13 is going to affect 3, a smaller number. And we also have 4 and 40. So at some point, it's showing me that we might be expecting something like 3, 4, unless, or they might even say 3, 40. Who knows? But I'm thinking 3 and 4, we might be expecting something like that, because those two are two small numbers. We might be expecting 2, 3, 4, 13, 47, 23, and 32. Let me just write them down for you. For tea time, we're going to play 47. Remember, 47 is a missing number, and we also have 23 or 32, and this 13 that you see here is going to repeat, and is going to come with 3 and also 4. Yes, those numbers are for tea time. I'm not good at pairing. I'm just hoping you're going to do your best with pairing. 47, 23, or 32. 13 is going to repeat. I don't know if it's going to come as 31 or what, because I'm just not good at pairing. But I'm thinking it might come as a 13. Why not? And what else are 3 and 4, which are small numbers. 3 and 4. Remember, 3 and 4. And if you can say 3 and 4 is going to give you 7, 3 and 4 is going to give you 7, and we just said 48 plus 49 is 9 and 7. Oh, I even forgot 9. I always forgot numbers. I said we also have to choose 9. We also have to choose 9. Between 7 and 9, we're going to choose 9. So I have my tea time numbers there, which is 47, 23, or 32, 13 to repeat, 3, 4, and 9. Yes, those are the tea time numbers. What about that 18, 19 that I left on lunchtime? I'm still checking. Remember, whenever there's 26, there is 18, but I just don't want to. Okay, I just don't want to do a lot of numbers. Let me just leave it like that. Even 33 is calling for 1. I don't think 33 is going to come. Yes, I don't think it's going to come. So those are the numbers. Sorry. 47, 23, 32, 13, 3, 4, and 9. I will just cut this video short. I will just do another video for Meg. I thought I was going to combine them, but no, it's fine. I will just do another one. 47, 23, 32, choose the 13 or 3, 4, and 9. Yes, this is for the tea time.